Hello friends, Julia from Accessorize Your Life. I'm back with you because I have a subscription box that's new to me that I'd like to share with you. I decided to partake of this box for 6 months. You can do either a one-time subscription or either month to month, is what it's called, for about $29.99. Or you can do what I did, is get it for 6 months and you get a reduced rate. If you do that, you get a little off. And also I used a code, and then I think it's Sisters, and I got an additional amount of money off on top of that. So I think that was the way to go for me. There's also a 12-month subscription that you can partake of for this box. I did not go that route, and I don't know the cost of it offhand. But what I'm talking about is Lurella. This is an indie brand and it's out of California, and this company is wonderful at coming up with new palettes each month. And if you subscribe to their boxes, you're the first to get the palettes before the general public gets the palettes. So you get to try them out before everyone else does. Now in this case, I'm behind the 8 ball because I subscribed in October, got my box the beginning of November. And this palette was just released a couple of days ago. But other subscription owners of this box already had the palette, already reviewed it, or whatever they chose to do with it. But this is the October box, and it is the LurellaFam box. And the box, it's a brown box. It comes wrapped nicely, tissue paper that says Lurella on it, and you get this air wrap here, perfect for my handbags. And you get a card, which I took out already, and I believe that's Lurella herself, dressed up as a witch for Halloween. But on the back, it tells you what you have in the box. It lists each thing, and it gives you the price of the box. The box retails for $29.99, I think I said, but that's what we pay for it. But it's worth $81. You're supposed to be able to get 5 to 7 full-size products in here. So the box value is $81. Yes. So you're supposed to get 5 to 7 full-size products, and like I said, you get the first dibs on the palette of the month, the eyeshadow palette of the month. And the formula is known to be pretty good, or relatively good, or really good. Who knows? I will see for myself. So the first item I have in this box is some of their Ego Lurella lashes. And these lashes are 3D mink eyelashes, and their retail value is $10. They are nice. They're made with distinct quality. Each pair of lashes are handmade and consist of mink or synthetic fibers. And they are flirty looking. They are indeed. What I propose to do with these lashes, because I don't wear my lashes this full as a rule, I may try them on before I do this, but I plan to cut the lashes in thirds to get 3 pair of lashes out of here. But I like the 3D effect of them, the layer effect. I think they're going to be quite cute to wear. Just wanted to give you an idea. Yeah, those are some thick lashes. Much thicker than what I wear, so I will cut them in thirds and get 3 pair of lashes out of that. Just use them on the outer corner. Okay, the next thing you have is a sponge and some cleaner for your sponges and brushes. So it's a cute little orange sponge. Let's see how soft it is. Ooh, okay. Yeah, it's cute. Nice. It smells like some kind of a cleaner. And here wrapped is the sponge cleaner or brush cleaner. So that's nice. And look how neat that just sits right on there like a little egg. Real cute. So I've got lashes and I've got a sponge. And I have 2 brushes. Oh, let's check the value of the sponge. The sponge, beauty sponge, is worth $10. And you get 2 individual brushes. That's what's next. and they're valued at $13. So together they're valued at $13, not a piece. So often I hear you get brushes in these boxes, so that's pretty cool. It looks like I have an eye brush and a brush to put on some type of blush or something. Which way do I get into this? You can see it. And the other one, it has a netted sleeve on it. This is what it looks like. So this one is good for the cheeks, I guess. Yeah, contour cheeks. So 2 brushes with Lurella marked on them. And do they say what they're for? This one, the small one, is LG17. The larger one is LC or G15 or something. I'm not quite sure. I can't see it. Get my glass out. LC05. Smaller one is LC17. I shouldn't go far with that magnification glass. Okay, next we have this here, and this is called Active Color. I have never used anything like this before, but I imagine you mix water with it. Looks like slime, I guess. And you make a Halloween look, I guess, around your face. Oh, I have one. I'm thinking if we go back to that card, that's what Lurella did with this highlight around the side of her face there. So maybe she used this active color here, and it's called, in the color Slime. That green is called Slime. So you put water to it, and I think you could make a nice festive Halloween face if you want. You can find some way to use it. I may try that one day. And next we have a lip color. I really should have pulled out scissors because all of these are sealed. That's nice. You know, you're getting new items. They're all vacuum sealed, closed in. Not easy to get into. So this is a liquid lipstick, and it's valued at $10. And the slime, that was, where did it go? Where did it go? Active Color is $14. I'm calling it Slime, but yeah, that's the color name. But it's Active Color, and it's valued at $14. That's pretty. That's very pretty. This is it. Guys, I didn't even open this. I thought I had opened this. Nope. I opened the box and looked at everything. So taking this plastic off. Maybe I saw someone else do it. And it's got a sleeve here that you just pull off. And on the back it tells you that, I think I read that one of the eyeshadows or a couple of them are pressed pigments and are not intended for use in the immediate eye area. So Spooky, Black Cat, Cursed, Haunted, and Possessed. That's quite a few. 2, 4, 5 should not be used. So you get a large mirror, and of course this thin sheet here, and this is your palette. You open it like a book. It's made to look like a book. And here's the palette. So we're going to put some of this color on my eyes. I'm wearing gray today. I'm going to use the brush. I'm not even going to wash it. I'm just going to use it. And I'm going to start maybe with this purple right here. And the purple is Spooky. Is that one of the ones I should use or should not use? Spooky is one you shouldn't put close to your eyes. Spooky is what I wanted to start with. Okay. Can't use it. Let's go with Broomstick. Black Cat you can't use close to your eyes, and it's a black. So we're going to go with Broomstick right down here. Can you see that? It's like a green. It's right here. So I'm going to, it smells nice. I'm going to start with that one. And there is some dust, so it's kind of powdery. So I'm going to start right here with this. I think it's going to give me what I'm looking for. Sort of a army green color. Broomstick. That's appropriate. Could be a brown or this color. This is a brown green or green brown anyway. So let's put that on. Alrighty, out of there, let's go into Incantation. Or should we go to Shell? Let's go to Incantation. It's like a satiny or slightly shimmery green. May or may not show up on me. Ooh, I think I got some fallout. Felt like it. Could be that my brush is not the right brush too. I really wanted to use the purples, but I mean, I still could, but this is a good place to start. I like this color. Ooh, pretty. This brush is a little scratchy. It's not as soft as a lot of my brushes are, but it's okay. It almost reminds me of a Morphe brush or something I've had like that before. BH. One of the older brushes I had long ago when I first started. This is a beautiful lippy. I have it in Royalty. Didn't give you the name before, but it is a matte lippy. Very gorgeous. Very happy with this. And I went ahead and took one lash and cut it into 3s, and I have it on the outer edge here. You can see it. Put on more mascara. So what I think I'm going to do with the Witch's Brew palette, because I realized I didn't give you the name, is I'm going to take the larger brush. Where is it? Here it is, the larger brush. And I'm going to go into the color Spooky, the one I wanted to use at first, right here that I couldn't use on or near my eyes. Just take a little and make it my cheek color. Yeah, just take a little bit of it. Yeah, I like that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I guess if I wanted a highlighter, let's look at one other color that is good to use. Black Cat, we know it's black. I'm going to use a bit of that as my highlighter. So just with a very light hand right there. Get a little more. Just right there. Yeah, I'm very happy with this month's box. My first Lurella box. Again, this box sells for $29 and change. If you use the code, I'll leave it down below. You get a percentage off. And you get 5 to 7 full-size items. Generally, you get brushes, but you get a new palette each month. One that has not hit the market, and you're like one of the first people to get it and try it out before the general public is able to get it if they're not subscribed to the subscription service. But I really like the card Lurella sends and the information that's on the back. You get a good explanation of everything. And yeah, I think it's a great subscription box, and I'm happy to have found it and to now be subscribed to Lurella for the next 5 months. So look forward to my November box coming real soon. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them below and I'll try to answer them. So long.